Well, what I've been doing here this morning here is just picking the gumboots, or what you'd call chitons, which is a delicacy to native people. It's fairly decent size, and it's also camouflaged very well. If you cook them too long, they're very chewy. You cook them a certain amount of time, they're nice and soft. There are some elders from Cake that used to live here in Glacier Bay. They told me about where they pick gumboots from. So when I came here, it was just like I was living a dream. When tide goes out, for us natives in Alaska, what I can say is the table is being set for us.